how to use stop limit on Coinbase. This is about to be here. So what we are looking for through this situation, that is still about exactly something that it will help you about that, to use stop limit on Coinbase. So my opinion about that is about to know the Coinbase has also like trading view, as you can see, to use the stop limit. So my opinion about that, to go to trade, started to use stop limit. So stop price, limit price and amount. So my opinion about that is right click on it, go for here labels and see stop limit here. If you could not see stop limit, my opinion is about the stop limit is a bit label, that is really about that. Also the more settings that can be really reliable for the stop limit if you see it, but I could not find it, like buy or sell buttons or that alerts, and that is all about here to help you.